guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be recreating or trying to follow a Tana Mongeau makeup tutorial. I got my inspiration from Thomas Halbert. I hope I'm saying his name right. Every time I see his name, I think of Jim from The Office. But I'm so excited to film this video today because I just needed a laugh today. I've been sick for so long and I'm finally starting to feel better. So I just wanted to film a lighthearted video, and I was binge watching Tana's channel earlier today and I just was dying of laughter. So I actually originally was gonna do Nikki tutorials for this video, and then after I was watching Tana all morning, I was like, no. I'm definitely doing Tana. So I have her video up here, and basically what I'm gonna do is forget all knowledge that I have about makeup and how I apply it and all my techniques, and just basically try and forget everything I know and watch her video and take all of her tips and basically just copy everything that she does. I also have, I think, everything she uses except for like 2 things, and those are setting sprays. So pretty sure everything else I have. But yeah, so if you guys want to see me follow a Tana Mongeau makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the video that I'm going to be going off of is how to cake your face like a pro. Okay, so I just fast forwarded to where she's done with her skincare.
Rose water spray, I'm just out of that right now, and that is like so much cheaper than this.
So she sprays her skin with this alginous spray before she does her primer. So I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. I used to use this stuff all the time.
So now I'm gonna take some Benefit Professional. I've used this in every single one of my Cake Your Face.
Okay, so she uses the Benefit Professional. She didn't really show how much she uses, but I'm just gonna put this much on my fingers. And she literally just goes in with this.
All over the spacious craters in my face that I like to call pores.
Oh, she just looks so rough with her face.
You're back, Tana, you're back. Sit down for 1 second, take a deep breath, because I'm about to say this fucking sponge is by Real Techniques. It's like $5.
I don't have the Real Techniques sponge right now because my dogs chewed every single one of them that I had up. I literally had like 15 of them and they're gone. So I'm using the L'Oreal sponge.
If you buy one thing from this video, it is this foundation. Full coverage.
I do like this foundation.
Wear. Kendall Jenner is fucking trembling. Just kidding. She's actually doing just fine. My finger.
I need to see how much she's putting on. So she just takes the wand. I have the shade 14 Ivory Medium.
This is a good little skip a step for dirty bitches like me. Dirty bitch.
Oh my, I'm gonna have to edit this so much.
Why am I like this? Put a little on your neck for safety.
Oh my god, she uses
and
so
don't worry.
much.
Fuck yeah, I am. I don't care that much.
And she literally just rubs.
Okay.
I wish she would have shown herself like blending it in more though, because she only showed herself rubbing it on her forehead.
Listen, I've learned something, and I'll be right back. Okay, so
no, I think she was joking. So I'm gonna tap this in, and oh my gosh, I literally used I never use a ton of foundation. Whenever I see people using like a ton of foundation like this, oh my, how does she look normal when she does this? This is why I can't do this. Like when I see Nikki tutorials doing her foundation, I don't understand because I cannot. Look at me right now. What? And I literally use the same amount of her. I don't understand. Not that there's anything wrong with wearing like this much foundation, but it looks so weird on me that I just can't do it. I literally look like I'm wearing a freaking mask. This is not good.
Foundation is like roughly put on, and
I think she must rub it off her lips because her lips look pink and mine are like white.
Even gonna lie to you, this next step has like Jaclyn Hill, Manny MUA, Jeffree Star.
Okay, so she just takes another foundation brush and then she just buffs over everything.
I don't know how to explain it, like less like it's sitting on top of my skin, but more like it's like buffed in, and that's probably because I'm like rubbing away some product. I don't fucking know, but I like this method, so I'm gonna do it. Okay,
you know what? It actually does look a lot better now. And it looked so cakey and like thick and gross before, but after using that brush, it actually looks way, way better. So I was a little worried that she was wearing her foundation that way, like what it looked like on my skin, but yeah, no, it looks way better now. Okay, so Tarte Shape Tape.
The bags under my eyes are Fenty.
Okay.
Bags under my eyes are fucking Kmart.
Okay, she does these lines underneath her like contour line, but she does them super, super low down, which it's not like a bad thing, but I think she would benefit from it way more if she moved that up a little bit to like lift her cheekbones up. her face.
Suddenly, I've had 6 more hours of sleep. Okay. Now I'm gonna set
Oh my gosh, she goes so fast. Wait a minute.
Laura Mercier setting powder. I had a really dark month of my life.
You guys, she didn't blend out the concealer underneath here. Do you guys see this? I hope you guys can see this on camera, but she did not. She must have forgot to blend out the concealer. Well, I'm gonna do the same thing then.
This, and I was using the Kat Von D setting powder, and I was just flashback fucking Mary.
Okay, so she uses Laura Mercier, which I love.
And I'm gonna put this powder all over my face.
She didn't show it, but she showed herself picking the powder up with this big, huge brush, and then she just said that she sets her whole face with this. I'm just gonna go in. I'm like cringing leaving this line right here and setting my under eyes with this because I usually set my under eyes with a damp sponge just because it looks so much softer. I don't think I've done it like this in probably like a year.
My face.
She literally has setting powder all over her arm. I can literally see it, just dots all over her arm, all over her chest of just setting powder. Okay, so she uses that Too Faced one. I actually don't have that one or the NARS one, but I have this one by Too Faced. Too Faced Sweetie Pie Bronzer. It kind of has the same like look to it as hers does. Hers has a little bit of like a sheen to it, and then the brush I'm using is a Morphe M527. It's like basically the same brush. So she taps off.
Tana, get some therapy.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm just gonna take.
So she literally just goes in. She brings it all the way in here.
My face, I'm not really like contouring or anything. I'm just kind of bronzing up my overall foundation, look, face.
I don't know. I don't think she did her forehead unless she just didn't show it. But since she didn't show it, I'm not gonna do it either. Now she's using Hoola.
So slightly. And by cheekbones, I mean the flat part of my face where most people have cheekbones and I don't. So like what cheekbones, we're gonna fucking carve them out. Now I'm just gonna turn. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a slight jawline liposuction by going, really though, basically I'm just gonna take my 5 chins and cover them in bronzer until I have like 3 chins. I used to put the bronzer on my jawline and then James Charles taught me that that just makes it worse. So now I don't do that anymore.
Okay, so she's putting this all over her neck. Now I'm, this is what makes me nervous. Okay, so she's literally just putting bronzer basically all over this entire part of her face, which is where I highlight. Like I put my lighter concealer in this whole area to lighten my face. And she's so funny, but she's putting it on the sides of her nose, which is right. And then she's also putting it right here, which defeats the purpose of putting the lighter concealer there.
Go watch a tutorial, but I don't know what I'm doing. And I feel like it's better to just kind of put some bronzer there than like try to pretend like I know what I'm doing.
She's putting it on her eyebrows too.
So anyone would like to teach me how to contour my nose?
Honestly though, I do not know how to contour my nose. That's why I never do it. And some people ask me sometimes too, like why I don't ever contour my nose in my videos, but I just can't do it. It just looks terrible on me all the time. Not that this looks much better. Sorry, Tana. No, we're not. Oh my God. This highlighter. This is the same one that she's using. This is in the shade You Light Up My Life by Too Faced. Beautiful highlighter, but I mean, do you see the shades of our skin? Like this does not work on fair skin. This is so dark. You can see how pretty it is, but then look at how dark the cast is. But I just had to say that quick.
So instead of like cocaine on my cheekbones, it's more like I went to the Bahamas. Now I'm gonna use this tiny little dick ass brush from MAC and I'm gonna place that shit on my cheekbones. Okay. Now that I'm glowing for the gods.
So I don't have that, but I have my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, which she said it like feels like super glue or something when you set your face with that.
It's absolutely disgusting. It's literally like spraying like Elmer's glue on your face,
like glue.
And your makeup just stays for like 10 years. Except
that's how I feel about this setting spray, so I'm just gonna use this quick.
Than every other setting mist ever.
Oh my God, I can't use that much.
Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown. I'm basically
I have the same shade.
I'm just like a brow wiz.
She did her brows off camera, so I'm just gonna fill mine in quick off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so she has this like highlighting, it's like a pencil for under her eyes. I have this one by Smashbox and it's in the shade, I don't know the shade, but it's just the highlight one from like the trio. And I actually used to use something just like this when I first started doing my brows and I loved it, but I haven't done this in years. She just draws it on underneath her eyebrows and then
My name is Tana Mongeau. What the fuck?
Yeah, she literally she showed it just drawing on and then just wiping it with her fingers.
My name is Tana Mongeau. What the fuck? No, I'm not satisfied with my eyebrows.
Another ad. Good thing I don't have false nails on right now because I feel like this would be so hard if you didn't. But I also feel like this is like totally messing up the bottom line of my eyebrow.
Third, I'm gonna take the orange shade in the middle and I'm just gonna fuck up my little crease.
Okay, she doesn't tap off the extra either, which I always do. And then she pulls her lid tight and then just like...
in depth. But long story short, I blend an orangey shade into my crease. Then I put some fucking shimmery shit on my lids.
Mine looks so much oranger than hers. I don't know if her exposure is up like really high on her camera, but I literally did the same thing as she did and mine looks super dark and hers is like not hardly even showing up on camera.
So true. I feel like that wasn't even like funny. Like it was literally just the truth. Like I just spit pure truth right there. Because
okay, she's using this huge brush and then she just takes this peaches and cream shade and then she literally
a lot more than the color
puts
in
it
the
all
I think it's
over.
Way more pigmented and it's like more goldy peachy versus like, then I just set my brow highlighter with that as well. Not a fucking Coachella.
Okay, wait, babe, you're going way too fast. Hold on. I'm seeing now that she's more up close. She brought that orange shade down right below her lower lash line. She didn't show that on camera, but I can see it now. So I'm also gonna take a little bit more of the orange and then bring it below my lower lash line, just like on the outer half of it. Because that's what I see on hers. I think this is so hard for me because I'm so used to using like these teeny tiny brushes. Like I use really small detailing brushes to do my eye makeup. She uses these huge brushes, which I'm so not used to, but hers looks way better than mine. I don't know, I'm just not used to using big brushes like this, but she obviously is. Like her eye makeup actually looks good.
The Kat Von D tattoo liner.
Don't have that, but I have the Stila Sail Day liquid waterproof eyeliner. I don't have the Kat Von D one because I hate that one.
I lick mine every time. Yeah, I would lick mine when I... Wait, you lick this? Yeah, like not like...
Okay, so she didn't really show it on camera, but she just did lines on her upper lash line of eyeliner, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. She didn't do a wing or anything, so I'm gonna stop it right at the end. So she's using Lily Lashes Miami. I do have them right here, but I don't know. Sometimes Lily Lashes, not all of them, but the Miami ones can look kind of weird on me. So I'm gonna put these on, see if they look okay, because I don't know, they look really strange on me sometimes. I wore them in my Sephora haul and everybody was like, don't wear those lashes again, they're too big on you, but I used to wear them all the time and nobody said anything. So she doesn't show her putting them on either, but I can tell that she didn't put mascara on before she did them. So this is probably gonna drive me crazy. Oh my God, it feels so weird putting lashes on without mascara on first, but I swear, lashes make everything come together.
Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara.
Okay, so she puts it on after she puts false lashes on, which I never ever do because it actually ruins my false lashes when I do this. That's why I always like to put mascara on before, because I just feel like it doesn't get on the false lashes and it doesn't ruin them, which means you can wear them more times.
On a fuck ton of bottom mascara. As you guys
oh my
know,
gosh,
like,
she puts on so much bottom mascara.
The Too Faced lip injection. My lips huge, and then people are like, you got lip injections, and I'm like, no, I'm just slathering my lips. The Marc Jacobs Recover Perfecting Coconut Setting Mist.
Again, I do have that, but I'm not gonna be using it because that actually broke me out. So I'm just gonna use my Urban Decay setting spray again.
Last but not least, this is a fucking staple for me. I spray on the Miss Dior Cherie Eau de Parfum.
I don't have perfume up here, so I'm not gonna be doing that. Okay, so this is the finished product. Honestly, with everything all together, like the finished result is not bad. It actually all comes together. I still think my like face makeup looks bad though compared to what I'm used to seeing. But other than that, like, I don't know, all together, I don't think it looks that bad. I feel like the lashes like brought everything together. On her, it looks bomb. I don't know how she can pull it off, but I don't know. I feel like I look so orange right now from like the nose bronzer and everything. I don't know, it's weird. And this is not meant to bash Tana at all. I love Tana, so that's not the point of this video. It was just all fun and lighthearted, and I just wanted to see what her makeup techniques would look like on me, which isn't my favorite. I still had a lot of fun doing this, and I really don't think it came out like too terrible. I actually thought I was gonna look a lot worse. Yeah, so that was a lot of fun. If you guys still want me to do Nikki tutorials, then let me know, and I can still do that for sure if you guys actually want me to. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys had fun watching it, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.